So kuba khona ke i-understanding noma i-teaching of i-Trinity le bengikhulume ngayo. And i-understanding of i-Trinity namhlanje ngizoyibulala, ngizoyikhipha nje kwabazalwane ukuthi abazalwane bayiyeke indaba ye-Trinity because ayikho esifundeni kaNkulunkulu. Now, nginibingelela nonke futhi ngama lami ngcobosana mntwana kaNkulunkulu sinisiwe sesongena ezweni laNkulunkulu. Now sizofunda, ngicela ukuqala ngesiZulu ngifunde futhi. Ekuqaleni wayekhona ulizwi. Ulizwi wayekuNkulunkulu, ulizwi wayenguNkulunkulu. And number 2 uthi yena loyo wayekhona ekuqaleni kuNkulunkulu. EmaBhayibheli amanye ama-translation akudala kakhulu. Nani-ke le-English-ke King James Version 1611. Uthi in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The same was in the beginning with God. Angiphindele. The same was in the beginning with God. Verse 2. The same was in the beginning with God. But all things were made by him. Now, number 1, Number 1, uMose ngelinye ilanga uyabuza uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngibatshela ukuthini abantu ukuthi wena unguba. uMose mangabe ebuza uNkulunkulu ukuthi abantu ngibatshela ukuthi wena ungubani, uNkulunkulu sethi nginguye unginguye. And leyo confirmation yokuthi kuqonda ukuthini lokho siyithola kuJohane verse 1. Othini, in the beginning God was the Word, and the Word was with God. Masithini, and the Word was God. So in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Ngamanye amazwi uNkulunkulu mayethi nginguye unginguye, and the Word was God. Nginguye unginguye. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Nginguye unginguye. Ngicela understand le nto leyo ukuthi uNkulunkulu mangabe ethi unguye unginguye, he is explaining ukuthi ungubani. Now mangabe ulifunda izilenkosi, this is the New Testament, and mangabe uyithola uMose ekhuluma noNkulunkulu laphana ku-Exodus, there was the Old Testament. But i-confirmation yezwi kaNkulunkulu siyithola in the New Testament. La khona uJohane is explaining in deeper details ukuthi uNkulunkulu munye. Ithi, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God, and the same was in the beginning with God. Mangabe uzo understand. I wanted to get the new verse, but I think lizoba good. The man was man sent from God, right? And if you understand le nto lena, I like ukuthi ngichaze ngokuthi lokho kusho ukuthini. Now if uhlangana nami casually ngihambela nje emgaqweni ungibuza ukuthi ngubani, mase mina ngithi ngumuntu, ngicela uunderstand le nto ukuthi ngiqonda ukuthi mina nawe sesiyalwa, sesilwile already, because ungayitshela ukuthi ngiyakweyisa, but mase uhlangana uthi hey uba, mase mina ngithi ngumuntu, wena uzolwa ngithi. Mangabe silifunda izilenkosi, most of the time asimuza uNkulunkulu ethi nginguNkulunkulu. Instead sizwe uNkulunkulu ethi nguyena lo nkulunkulu owenza ukuthi, nguyena uNkulunkulu owenza ukuthi. Ngamanye amazwi uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu. Mangabe ufica usanele umuntu. Ngamanye amazwi mangabe uNkulunkulu bembuza ukuthi ubani, akazange nangelodwa ilanga athi mina igama lami ngingubani, igama lami ngiNkulunkulu kube khona lokho. uNkulunkulu has to emphasize. So uMose mangabe ethi mina ngingubani, uNkulunkulu ngenxa yobuhlakani bakhe ubuhlakani, i-wisdom kaNkulunkulu great, ukwazi ukuthi understand ukuthi uMose mayembuza lo mbuzo uqonda ukuthini, uMose ngayi explainanga. Sho ukuthi uMose mayibuza lo mbuzo wena wangacabanga ukuthi uMose ufuna igama likaNkulunkulu azohamba ethi khonzani lo nkulunkulu lo, khonzani lo nkulunkulu ambize ngegama ebantwini. But uMose was not asking ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngithi mina ungubani name, uthi mina ngithi ungubani in ubuwena. Ngamanye amazwi ithi mina ngifike ngithi uyinkosi, ngifike ngithi uyi-creature, ngifike ngithi uyini ebantwini. Mase ethi uNkulunkulu nginguye unginguye, ngamanye amazwi umnika i-description angakaze ayifike naye emuntwini before. Unika umuntu i-description yakhe etholakala le phambili kuJohn chapter 1 verse 1 uthi nginguye unginguye. Now mangabe uyilandele lento lena, uNkulunkulu ekusidaleni kwethu singabantu wasidala sabe umfanekiso wakhe. We made in his image. uNkulunkulu mangabe esmaker in his image akagcinanga lapho, he also made us in his likeness. Lento engishoyo zisho ukuthini? uNkulunkulu mangabe esenza ngomfanekiso wakhe akasenzanga ukuthi only si-appearishe njengomfanekiso wakhe, waphinde wasenza sibe kufuzo lwakhe, sibe kumjengayo bakhe. Ngamanye amazwi akasenzanga ukuthi only sibukeke njengoNkulunkulu, but wasenza ukuthi sibe nguNkulunkulu nangendlela esingayo within ourselves. Ngamanye amazwi sho ukuthi indlela mina okwazi ukuthi ungibone ngayo noNkulunkulu ungakwazi ukuthi umobserve ngayo. Ngamanye amazwi njengoba mina ungibona ngimile lana, ngihleli lana, angihleli lana as a being ecreate ngendlela ehlukile than uNkulunkulu ewuyena. uNkulunkulu, if you look at uNkulunkulu, you see a body as much as when you look at me ubona umzimba. Sho ukuthi uNkulunkulu mangabe sibheka njengoba uNkulunkulu yena was creator in his likeness, sesifuna ukwazi manje ukuthi yena ucreatwe yini. Sesizwa ukuthi eqaleni komhlaba uNkulunkulu. Now mangisebenzisa a reference ezwini laNkosi kwa-mention uNkulunkulu ekudaleni kwezinto. uNkulunkulu wafika isikhathi la khona wadala khona ukukhanya. Mayekudala ukukhanya izwi leNkosi liya-mention ukuthi ukukhanya wakudala ebumnyameni. Ngamanye amazwi kwakukhona ubumnyama, uNkulunkulu mase wathi akube khona ukukhanya. Lithi izwi leNkosi ukukhanya kwaxubene ndawonye nokukhanya. Ukukhanya kwakuxubene ndawonye nobumnyama. Sho ukuthi ubumnyama babuuza noma babufukuza ebumnyameni. Mase lithi izwi leNkosi uNkulunkulu wabona ukukhanya ebumnyameni, wabona ukukhanya bubuhle ebumnyameni, wayibuka yonke lento wathi yinhle lento. Mase wathatha ukukhanya wabuhlukanisa nobumnyama. Mase lithi izwi leNkosi uNkulunkulu after kwenza lokho waprefer ukukhanya ngaphezulu kobumnyama. So le process ngichazelani? It is because uNkulunkulu ekube khona kwakhe kwakukhona a moment la khona i-existence, ukuba khona kwakho konke kungekho. Ngamanye amazwi kwakungekho lutho, ulutho nawo ungekho, kwakungekho ngisho even u-even, kwakungekho even u-even walo even. There was nothing, even nothing did not exist. Ngamanye amazwi if i-existence iya-exist yayingeke ibe khona. Sho ukuthi uNkulunkulu kukhona yonke leyo chaos ekhona, uNkulunkulu wayeyi-existence within i-existence. Sho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi uNkulunkulu wayeyi-introduction to i-existence, kodwa yena he was the empirical being, wayeyi-leader ye-existence. Sho ukuthi i-existence ukuze ibe khona kwakumele kube khona yena. Konke ukuze kuvele kuvela ngaye. Sekuyavela ezwini leNkosi ukuthi kusho njalo. Kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukuze kube khona imvelo, uyena wayeyiloba imvelo ukuthi ibe khona, wayeyibiza imvelo ukuthi ibe khona, waye-cooperator, waye-coordinator, wayeyibeka imvelo ukuthi ibe khona njengoNkulunkulu of the highest empirical being in the world. Mangabe uNkulunkulu eseyibeka imvelo ukuthi ibe khona, sesifuna thina sikuzwile lokho uthini uMoses in the beginning kwakukhona izulu nomhlaba. That is in the beginning of creation. Sho ukuthi azange sizwe ukuthi ukuvela kwezinto kuqhamukaphi. But uJohane useya ekuveleni, usayodonsa ukuvela. Usethi ekuqaleni kwakukhona, usethi ekuqaleni kwakuNkulunkulu, ekuqaleni kwakuyizwi. Izwi lalinoNkulunkulu, linguNkulunkulu. Ngamanye amazwi useyasitshela-ke manje ukuthi ukuze uNkulunkulu uqhamuka kanjani. Mangabe ethi uNkulunkulu wayengulizwi, ulizwi wayenguNkulunkulu, now usenza into ethanda ukuthi ibe nani ibe complex, because usedefine ini i-existence through the smallest, angazi, through the most complex but the most mixed in structure. Usichazela ukuthi uNkulunkulu uvelaphi. Akasichazela ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngubani. Usichazela ukuthi uNkulunkulu uvelaphi. Usethi uNkulunkulu ukuze avele uyena oyivezayo, ukuze avele, because uyena omvezi wakho konke. So usho ukuthi kwayena uyayiveza. So usethi eqaleni izwi lalinoNkulunkulu, izwi linguNkulunkulu. Usitsheleni lokho, usitshela ini? Usitshela izwi as number 1 noma into ekusekuqaleni. Mase ufika kuverse 2, uthi uverse 2 na kanjalo kukanjalo nakuNkulunkulu. Mangabe ngitranslate from King James Version 1611. Uthi kanjalo uNkulunkulu, meaning basically sekuyakubona ukuthi ufundile uverse 1, but uverse 1 u-identical. Uverse 1 noverse 2 bayivese lodwa, except ka verse 2 na uthe uverse 2 ekuqaleni uNkulunkulu wayenolizwi, ulizwi wayenguNkulunkulu. Shuthi kahle ithi lento lena ulizwi njengoba enguNkulunkulu ka verse 1 ekuqaleni kwakubani? KwakuNkulunkulu. Ngamanye amazwi ithi la khona ulizwi khona, shintsha lelo gama elithi lizwi lenza kube uNkulunkulu. La khona uNkulunkulu, shintsha lelo gama elithi uNkulunkulu lenza ulizwi. Sho ukuthi ulizwi noNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu oyedwa. So usho ukuthi kahle i-reason why asebenzisa igama elithi lizwi aphinde asebenzisa igama elithi uNkulunkulu, ukuze umuntu abe ne-basic understanding, understand ukuthi makuthiwa uNkulunkulu wayengulizwi, ulizwi wayenguNkulunkulu. Ngoba mangabe ethi eqaleni komhlaba uNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu wavela nguNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu wayenguNkulunkulu, you will never understand ukuthi uqonda ukuthini. But ukuze ahlukanise lawo magama, uzama ukukhombisa i-understanding, usebenzisa amagama amabili. Shuthi ngamanye amazwi uNkulunkulu oyedwa onikwe amagama amabili ukuze kufithe i-basic idea of umuntu. But mangabe sesihambayo manje siyofunda uJohane verse 1 womuntu, eqaleni komuntu kwakuNkulunkulu, eqaleni kwakuNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu wadala umuntu ngumfanekiso wakhe, umfanekiso ovela kuNkulunkulu. Ngamanye amazwi thina singabantu si-create-iwe at a specific moment, but kule moment esa-create-a ngayo, leli lithi image alifithi kuleyo moment. Mangabe lithi uma uNkulunkulu esidala ngumfanekiso wakhe, leya portion yethi umfanekiso wakhe ayiveli kule moment isi-create-wa, ivela kule moment uNkulunkulu, ivela ku moment uNkulunkulu edlani, uNkulunkulu ulizwi, ivela kuleyo moment, ayiveli la khona thina sesi-create-wa. Ngamanye amazwi shuthi uNkulunkulu wafike wasibuka, wasibona usama-mortal beings, mase wathi yena njengoNkulunkulu ongafi akasinike lento eyodwa ezosenza siphile ngunaphakade, akasinike i-title akasinike i-ordinance of i-image yakhe. Ngamanye amazwi kushuthi thina njengoba singabantu sifitha kwisikhathi esithize, but uNkulunkulu sesiprolongile leso sikhathi ngokuthi a-add image yakhe e-immortal. Mangabe edele image immortal, isenza thina siba ama-beings aba-immortal just by image. Cela u-understand amandla kaNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu usethini-ke manje create nabantu. uNkulunkulu ecreate nabantu usethi lo muntu lona umbeka eGarden of Eden. Now ngicela u-understand ukuthi umuntu was immortal eseGarden of Eden. Even though kwangafika i-weapon ibe formed against umuntu mase umuntu eyafa. But umuntu was immortal eseGarden of Eden because eGarden of Eden there was no danger that could threaten umuntu. But i-danger sifika kuphi? Sifika mase kufika inyoka. Shuthi inyoka was the weapon eyayiformed against thina eyayithatha immortality yethu. Leyo immortality yethu yayithathanga futhi through ama-actions ayo directly. Yadinga ukuthi ama-actions ukuze asebenze kuthathwe i-will yethu ibe turned against thina. Sho ukuthi we are the only beings angakwazi ukufoma a war against thina. This is why nowadays ungeke ukwazi ukumbona uSathane in public uthi awunanga nje uSathane lapha. But uSathane ukwazi ukumbona through i-will yakhe komunye umuntu because asikwazi thina singabantu ukuthi sifome i-will akakwazi ukuthi amanye ama-beings afome i-hand ezosilimaza. Sho ukuthi thina sisafana nama-beings aseGarden of Eden, sisa-immortal. But i-immortality yethu iphela mhlazane mina ngikwazi ukuthi leyo immortality ngiyiqede. Ngamanye amazwi kufanele u-Eve abe against u-Adam ukuze u-Adam akwazi ukufa. Sho ukuthi immortality yethu iphela mhlazane ulokuzana ukuthi i-image kaNkulunkulu ibe against i-image kaNkulunkulu. Akekho omunye umuntu okwazi ukuthinta i-image kaNkulunkulu. Ayikho ingilosi, ayisikho isilwane esikwazi ukungena kwi-image kaNkulunkulu sihlephise. Ngoba i-image kaNkulunkulu inamandla. Sho ukuthi uNkulunkulu kwi-image yakhe ngendlela afome ngayo istrength sakhe. I-image yakhe iyodwa is a shield. uNkulunkulu ekusenzeni sifana nomfanekiso wakhe wasinika i-protection ephelele. But masifika inyoka laphana izosenza njani? Izosifoma thina sibe against thina. It was only then la khona sakwazi ukuthi sibe in danger. It is when we were against us. Ila khona ukwazi khona ukuthi uKayini akwazi ukubulala uAbel. Ila khona sekwazi khona ukuthi uCaiphas akwazi ukuthi abe against uJesu Kristu ahambe azoyombeka ngisho esiphambanweni. Why? It's because ile image kaNkulunkulu ekwazi ukusenza ukuthi sibe i-danger to mankind. But mangabe uNkulunkulu sihamba sekuyena soyolandela i-image yakhe siyifunda. Mina njengoba ngikwazi ukubala kanje noNkulunkulu naye ukanjalo because we are in his likeness. But into esabulawela yona eGarden of Eden kwakuwamagunya wokuthi si-operate through i-image kaNkulunkulu with the understanding. Mangabe usidla the fruit of knowledge of good and evil, leya fruit kwakufanele isinike i-idea yani ye-good and evil. But leya fruit yasiphuca i-authority of understanding i-good and evil. Ngoba mhlazane silidla lela fruit sakhohlwa sahluleka uku-understand ukuthi how are we the image kaNkulunkulu. Sayibona ngisho sihamba because asafithi kwi-image kaNkulunkulu. Sesibona ukuthi manje le image ayisanele. Sesifuna uku-add ingubo phezu kwale image because asafithi kuleya image leya. Sesiyaleka kuleya image leya. But leya image leya na mina into yade ngifuna ukugcila kuyona, it is i-oneness yayo. Leya image ine-oneness yayo. Ngisazokhuluma kuyona leyo portion leyo mase sengiqeda. I'll be debunking i-Trinity. But okwamanje ngisafuna sibe ne-full understanding of what is the image of uNkulunkulu? What is in the body of uNkulunkulu? What is uNkulunkulu in deeper details other than basic understanding esinayo? Who is uNkulunkulu? uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uyena loyo. God is God. That basically means ukuthi there is no being emhlabeni engakwazi ukuthi ifithe against yonto le. uNkulunkulu mangabe uqhubeka ufunda lithi he was the light. Before ufunde lakho lithi yonke into yavela ngaye. Mase futhi ufunda amanye amavesi lithi yena wayengukukhanya. Ngamanye amazwi ukuze into ivele kumele kube khona ukukhanya. But uNkulunkulu ukuze uthi yonke into yavela ngaye. Ngeke ngachaza but example of i-basic light ukuthi i-light uNkulunkulu ngenkathi eyidala wenzani, wayidala yaba sekukhanyeni masiwahlukanisa. Ukuze khona indawo la khona i-existence yayinga-exist khona. Kuleyo portion uNkulunkulu is regarded as i-being enga-exist. But since uNkulunkulu enguNkulunkulu lokho akumhloniphi, uhlonishwe ukuthi enze njani abe uNkulunkulu o-existayo in that process. Because leyo process ithi nothing exists. But uNkulunkulu kuleyo process yena une-existence because uNkulunkulu uhlonishwa yilokho. Ekutheni uya-exista kulokho ngenxa yokuthi uNkulunkulu sekwenzakalani? Sekuwukuthi manje ngenxa yokuthi yena u-exista kuleyo procedure noma kuleyo process, sekuwukuthi-ke manje yonke into ekuthena exist leyo nto iyaphela. Mase lithi khona ukukhanya u-understand-ile ukuthi ngeke ngasho ukuthi wafike wakudala. Sho ukuthi basically mangithi uNkulunkulu wadala izulu nomhlaba, mase mase amavesi alandela masethi uNkulunkulu wadala ukukhanya ebumnyameni. Mase siyeza ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayengukukhanya. So now we start understanding ukuthi uNkulunkulu mase sekudala ukukhanya on a physical spectrum, kodwa size futhi ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayekhona ukukhanya. Sho ukuthi uNkulunkulu yonke into ayidalayo iqhamuka kuye. Sho ukuthi umhlaba ukuze ube khona uqhamuka kuNkulunkulu. Angani mangiunderstand into engishoyo. Umhlaba wukho basically mangabe unga-exist, but lithi konke kwavela ngaye. He was the light shining on all existence. Sho ukuthi yena mayethi akube khona umhlaba, akube khona izulu, nje belifoma umhlaba nezulu, lokho kuyena ekhanyisa umhlaba nezulu. Sho ukuthi umhlaba nezulu awukho ku-existence, but ukukhanya kwakhe kuyayiforma i-existence. Ekutheni ukukhanya kwakhe kuforma i-existence, lokho kuletha enye i-alignment of another gracious being ewuyena. Sho ukuthi he is being the word, he is being the light, and he is being the father. But akadingi ukuze ayihlukanise ukuze akwenze lokho. That means udinga ukuthi abe uNkulunkulu ukuze kube khona, ukuze abe ukukhanya. Sho udinga ukuthi abe uNkulunkulu ukuze abe ngulizwi. Udinga ukuthi abe uNkulunkulu ukuze abe uNkulunkulu. Ngamanye amazwi akwenzeki konke ngomagic noma kwenzeki konke ukuthi ayishintsha transform. Akadingi. It is the same God owenza izulu nomhlaba, uNkulunkulu oyedwa wayikumele siphambanweni. Sho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi uNkulunkulu akayiguqule, akayishintshi. Angifuna ukuyifuna namhlanje u-understand lento ye-Trinity, ukuthi i-Trinity iyayi-basic idea enama-flaws amangakanani. uNkulunkulu ungulizwi. Sho ukuthi there is only one God and there will forever be one God. He has no separation. Sho ukuthi the word is God. Ngamanye amazwi what I'm saying is God is God. Sho ukuthi into engishoyo ngithi the word is the word.